Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is the first day of my 30 days English challenge. I wake up early every day. I drink a glass of water. I like learning English. I watch YouTube every evening. I practice speaking every day. New words and sentences. Wake up to stop sleeping. Example, I wake up early. Early before the usual time. I wake up early. Example, drink to take a liquid. I drink water. Learn to get knowledge. Example, I learn English every day. Speak to say words or talk with someone. I speak English every day. Remember, making mistakes is a part of learning. Don't feel afraid to speak English. Every small step will help you improve. Keep your earphones in your ear and speak loud the sentences. It will help you improve English. I will continue this 30 days challenge and share my progress with you. Let's learn English together and improve step by step. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Day 2 challenge.